The first thing we need to do before we go too far into this video is discuss the working principle of just how refrigeration works. Almost all commercial refrigeration systems work using the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. There are four main parts that we need. We need a compressor, a condenser, an expansion valve, and an evaporator. Within this system, we have a refrigerant. Let's now take a look at a real-life example of an industrial chiller. Here is our industrial chiller. This is quite a standard design. Quite a lot of industrial chillers look like this one. We have a compressor on the top. This particular design is a centrifugal compressor. On the suction side of the compressor, we have a cold, low pressure vapor. Remember, the entire system is full of refrigerant, so this would be a cold, low pressure refrigerant vapor. After the compressor, we've got a hot, high pressure vapor. Compressors don't work well with liquid, so it's important we don't get liquid carryover into the compressor. It's also important that we don't have too much liquid suspended in the refrigerant gas. Liquid suspended within the gas is essentially vapor. That's what vapor is. It's a mixture between gas and liquid. Skyscrapers, they require cooling because all of the machinery inside generates heat, people generate heat, and the sun also heats up the building. Any other building, generally where people work, such as within an office, within a hospital, within a library, and other types of communal buildings, those buildings must also be cooled as well. If you're manufacturing chocolate, you will need a refrigeration plant because you have to heat up and cool down the cocoa liquor several times. If you like things like sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, and other types of vegetable oil, these will often also be cooled down at some period during the production process to make them taste better. And we can use the same equipment for this. And this particular equipment that we're interested in is called an air handler unit, AHU. The air handler unit essentially draws air in or recirculates air from the building itself, and it treats it. It filters the air, it controls the temperature, and also sometimes the humidity of the air as well.